Good morning, guys. If you are new here, my name is Amber, originally Gentare, but you can call me Amber, it's fine. And then this is my son Leonardo. He's currently 8 months old. Yes, you are a big boy now. Okay, and today we are going to do a DIY project for me. I've seen a lot of people are walking in this cool looking bleach jumpers, and I really want to get myself one. So me and my son are going to DIY mommy a jumper. Yes, we are. Are you gonna help me? Okay, so we are going to go to the shop now to buy ourselves some bleach, because we don't use bleach in our house. We don't clean with the bleach because the smell is just too strong and I don't really like it. Let's go. Welcome to my kitchen. Yeah, we came back from the shop actually like 3 hours ago, but I've been waiting till they're gonna go to sleep to do this because I didn't want him to get hurt, because I'm gonna use the bleach and everything, and then I need to take care of him. Yeah, I found a fabric dye as well. You probably have seen it. I picked it up from the store, and I never used nothing like this before, and also I haven't bleached my clothes, so it's gonna be totally like surprise how it's gonna turn out for me as well. Why I picked up the fabric dye, because I want to do a matching outfit for Leo as well. I don't want to use a bleach on his clothes because it's not really safe for the babies, obviously. I don't think it's safe for adults as well. Okay, anyway, I hope it is going to work out, because if not, everything is gonna be ruined, and my jumper that I kind of like it as well. So this is the jumper that I am going to be using. It's just a plain black jumper. What's the fabric inside it? I'm sure it's like polyester or something. No, actually it's 70% cotton and 30% polyester. I don't know if it makes a difference, if it's 100% polyester or something, but yeah. This is the jumper, and these are the Leo clothes that I'm gonna try and DIY. I'm a bit like scared because I feel like it's gonna be a mess and nothing gonna work, but we'll see. Don't judge me. Basically, don't judge me. Okay, next. I picked up some bleach. Which is just a regular domestic bleach. I guess it's gonna work. On a video that I've seen, like the person was mixing bleach with water, so I'm gonna do the ratio of 50-50. And then I picked up some elastic bands as well, so you're gonna see in the process how I'm gonna use them. I have some gloves. Like that Russian guy says on YouTube, safety is #1 priority. So this guy on a tutorial was using squeeze bottle for the bleach. Like he was saying that you can use anything, but like I looked everywhere and I don't really have anything, not even like ketchup, empty bottle or anything like this. So I'm just gonna use a glass and hopefully it's gonna work. Okay, so let's start this process. So first of all, I'm gonna mix some bleach into the water. I'm going to grab the middle and do like a circle, and then just roll the jumper in that circle like this. Okay, so now I am just going to put elastic bands to hold the shape. I can see it's going to be like a mess already. I hope it is going to work out. Please help me, God. is gonna be okay. I'm not sure what is gonna happen, but let's hope for the best. Okay, now let's start bleaching. Okay, you guys, so I went to the bathroom because working with the bleach can get a bit messy. As you can see here, I was splashing the bleach all over the jumper on both sides. I was thinking that I'm going to work in the sections, but I didn't. Then I started to rub the bleach into the fabric using my fingers. Also, as you can see, I am pushing the bleach into the creases of the fabric and rubbing it quite hardly. Then I came back to the kitchen to dye Leo clothes as well. When you're using this technique, it's really important to wet the fabric, so I soaked Leo clothes into the clean water and then placed them on an oven tray. As you can see, I added ice on top of the fabric and then started to sprinkle the fabric dye. The idea behind this is that the ice is going to melt and then the powder going to sink into the fabric, and because the fabric is wet, it is going to be easier for the powder to sink in. Okay guys, so as you saw, I bleached the jumper in the bathroom and then I dyed Leo clothes with the eyes here. I never done this before and I'm so curious how it's gonna look like. I can see it looking really cool. So if it's gonna work out, I'm obviously gonna dye his clothes in like a different cool colors, because yeah, it is so hard. Like if you're a mom, and especially if you have a boy, you know how hard it is to find like a edgy kind of nice looking clothes for the boys. Because from my point of view, I don't want to spend a lot of money for the boys clothes just because he's growing so fast. I change his clothes every 3 months. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it till the ice gonna be melted, and then I'm gonna leave my jumper for like a half an hour more. I will go right now and see how it's looking, and after I'm gonna wash everything in a washing machine and then I'm gonna show you the results. Okay guys, this is the next day and the DIY is finished and this is the result. I mean, I am obsessed. Look at my jumper. It was totally black. Oh my god, it looks so good. And look at Leo's outfit. Yeah, I love this matching outfit. It looks really edgy, it looks really cool. Obviously I have a pants as well, so I am going to make myself like the whole tracksuit. So I'm gonna DIY my pants as well, the same way as I did the jumper. And if you wanna see it how this turned out, check my Instagram account. I'm going to be posting there. So if you liked our DIY and you want to see some more videos of us doing some cool stuff, then hit that subscribe button and we are going to see you in our next one. Bye! Leave the comment below and tell me what other DIY videos you want me to create.